Laser welding equipment. Operating instructions. First, let's install our tooling. We first attach the laser head to this circular shell of the tooling. Then press down the lid of the package. The 4 screws on the top cover plate have been assembled and connected. Diagonal tightening screw. First, we go to the back of the device. Turn it on. Then wait for the device to start. After the device starts, we log in first. Click to log in. The administrator password is 6 ones. Log in. Then open the settings system. There's language. You can choose here. The login engineer's password is 6 zeros. Our equipment in this setting. There is a help section in the settings. After clicking on the help option, please wait. There will be a manual for the device's built-in electronic file. This is the table of contents. You can pull down. If you want to check some options or operations that you don't know about, you can look them up in the manual. Okay then, so this is where we get into programming. When programming, the chart is on the left side. This is the graphic needed for programming. Our welding barcode specifications are typically circular. Click on the third one. Here he has a width and height. It's actually the diameter of a circle. Generally, our barcode diameter is 3. Both width and height are 3. The diameter of the circle is 3. After we set the first circle, click on the mobile tag below. The position of the circle can be moved, usually because we are 2 circles, one above the other. The first circle, we try to move it up. Okay. Then edit the second circle. Because our barcode is 2 circles up and down. After the first circle, edit the second circle. Okay, the second circle. It's still 3 millimeters in diameter. Then the second circle, we try to move it down. After moving, we're going to align the circles, the location of our tooling. First, click Select Marking. Let's first compare the circle above. And that circle is what we made up. The first ellipse shape. Click Select. Then turn on the red light. Then you'll see our tooling. Our laser probes. The first circle has emerged. We will try our best to put the first circle through this hole in the tooling. It's a little off now. It should be to the left now. So let's go a little to the right. Put the position of the first circle a little bit to the right, a little bit. Adjust to, it's right at the round mouth of the tooling. Now the first dot. It comes right down from the round mouth of the tooling. After the first circle, we turn it off. Now we adjust the second circle. Still the same. Choose from here. The second circle on our left is the program. It will display the operation of the second circle. The same. Click the red light first. Take a look at the location of the second circle. Look at the second circle. It is more biased from our holes. It's still the same tone as the first circle. Click the arrow keys to adjust. Observe the position of the dots in the tooling as you adjust. Okay, now let's look at the second circle. Basically, it also targets the work of tooling. In this way, the 2 circles are adjusted by the program. After the adjustment is completed, we turn selection marking off. Then we can weld. General welding of our barcodes. In addition to adjusting the power frequency, beyond speed, we need to tune one more thing. This is where you can weld the settings. We're going to start the helix. Generally tested by us. Set the pitch to 0.1. The pitch diameter is set to 1.7. You need this value for both the upper and lower circles. Such a setting will give us welding accuracy and increased success rate. So remember, in one of our parameters, in the settings options, there's one more here. After clicking, there's a starter spiral down there, marking dithering. This option, it is turned on by default. We are actually operating. Before welding, this option is generally ticked off. Then start soldering again. When you start welding, put the barcode card on the tooling first. Attention! Be sure to put it in his groove and lay it flat. And then, align the tooling to the welding points you need. The tooling should be flattened as much as possible with a welding point. There should be no gap between the 2 points. Press start after flattening. Wipe the black on the surface a little bit. Thanks for watching.